Hello. In this video, I would like to show how to scan another person using its 3D scanner. This app enables you to capture photorealistic 3D models just in a few minutes with your mobile device. In this tutorial, I want to show simple rules how you can get amazing results with the scanner. You will need an iPad, occipital structure sensor, and a friend willing to scan it. So I start its 3D application, click the new scan button, and select to scan human head. I recommend you to start scanning from a closer distance to capture facial details. Now it is too close because the person is not highlighted anymore, but now it's okay, so I press the start button. It is crucial that you hold still when pressing the start button, otherwise the face may be blurry as with usual photo. As you can see, the model is visualized right away. Our task now is just circle around the person with comfortable speed and cover holes in the model while we are moving. Remember that the person should hold still during scanning and keep more or less the same expression. I highly recommend to scan the top of the head specifically, as I do now, because usually it is not visible to the camera. A camera cannot capture parts which you didn't show to it. The same applies to the chin, so I'm showing to the sensor too. And that's it. I press the done button, and in a few minutes I've got the 3D model. The model is really awesome. It has high resolution texture and all details are captured well. Notice that the top of the head, which I scanned specifically, looks good too. Now you can share the model directly from the app, or you can just keep it for yourself. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have fun scanning your friends.